In the world of custom motorcycles, there's always that one build that makes you stop, stare, and appreciate every inch of craftsmanship and creativity poured into it. The Honda XR600R Street Tracker by John Green of RotaJG is exactly that kind of machine. Based in Denton, Texas, John Green has spent his life surrounded by cars and motorcycles, driven by a lifelong passion for engineering and design. His workshop, RotaJG, has become a playground for mechanical imagination, producing unique, head-turning builds, and this custom XR600R might be his most striking creation yet. The story begins with a humble 1994 Honda XR600R, a classic off-road beast known for its bulletproof reliability and rugged nature. But under John's skilled hands, this dirt-focused Honda evolved into a stunning street tracker, blending vintage aesthetics with a sleek, aggressive stance. Though originally built purely for fun, the bike was eventually sold to fund new tools for future projects, a fitting sacrifice for an artist constantly refining his craft. The transformation started with a complete teardown. John scrapped the factory subframe and replaced it with a fully custom, hand-fabricated steel unit made in-house. This gave the rear a tighter, more refined look, while lowering the suspension to bring the bike closer to the ground. Up front, he fitted a set of inverted Showa forks sourced from a Honda CRF, mounted using matching triple clamps. Before installation, John shortened the forks internally by 6 inches, giving the XR the perfect street tracker stance. The 19-inch wheels, wrapped in flat-track tires, complete the aggressive silhouette, while modern brake rotors ensure the vintage bike stops as confidently as it looks. But the real visual magic happens with the bodywork. The centerpiece is a Benelli Mojave replica fuel tank, sourced from eBay and meticulously modified to fit the XR's frame. Behind it sits a hand-built steel tail section, perfectly sculpted to flow with the tank's lines. The stylish leather saddle, crafted by a local artisan, adds both comfort and a touch of Texas flair. The tail houses an integrated LED taillight with subtle turn signals mounted just below. Hand-fabricated steel side covers complement the clean design, while a minimalist flat-track number board sits up front, fitted with LED lighting. The cockpit is stripped down for a pure riding experience, featuring a pro-taper handlebar, upgraded control levers, and the absence of mirrors or gauges, because true riders don't need distractions. Serrated off-road foot pegs complete the ergonomics, offering a solid grip during spirited rides. Under the surface, the XR600R's legendary 591cc single-cylinder engine received a full mechanical rebirth. When John opened it up, he discovered years of neglect, so he went all in on a complete rebuild. The cylinder was bored out, a forged piston and fresh rings were installed, and the engine got a modern camshaft, new bearings, valve seals, and rocker arms. What emerged was not just a restored engine, but a revitalized powerhouse ready to roar. Finishing touches came in the form of a hand-built stainless steel exhaust system, which snakes upward towards a cone engineering muffler neatly tucked under the tail. The sound is raw, throaty, and full of life, exactly what a custom tracker should deliver. The entire build was then wrapped in a beautifully balanced color scheme that blends modern minimalism with old-school cool. The RotaJG Honda XR600R Street Tracker isn't just another custom bike. It's a statement of passion, craftsmanship, and mechanical art. From its handcrafted frame to its reimagined power plant, every detail reflects John Green's deep love for motorcycles and his dedication to the craft. This Texas-built tracker perfectly captures the spirit of freedom, style, and raw performance. A rolling masterpiece we could stare at all day.